Hey guys, it's Jeff the Maintenance Man. Yep, that's me down there. I just wanted to upload the unedited version of this. I'm just walking around seeing if it'll follow me around. A lot of electromagnetic interference up on this roof. I want y'all to see about right here up the 30-second mark. Look at the top of the Aeon unit. Watch it, you'll see it. Let me know what's going on. No! Uh-oh. Looks like a bad ECM module. So, yeah, but I just decided to cut it off like right about here, so. Guys, thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing.